Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up SMS inside HubSpot using the full 2026 workflow. SMS is one of the fastest ways to reach leads and customers, so getting it connected correctly makes your automation a lot more powerful. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once the dashboard loads, we can begin. Start by going to the top right corner and clicking the settings icon. On the left sidebar, scroll down to Marketing and choose the SMS section. HubSpot doesn't send SMS directly by itself. You need an SMS provider. HubSpot supports several platforms like Twilio, Message Media, Sakari, and other verified partners. Click the Connect Provider button to begin. A new window will open asking you to sign into your SMS platform. Log in with your username and password, then approve the permissions so HubSpot can send messages through your number. Once the connection is confirmed, come back to HubSpot and choose the phone number you want to send SMS from. This number will appear as the sender when contacts receive your messages. Next, click the Create SMS button. This opens the SMS editor where you can type your message. You can add personalization tokens like the contact's first name to make the message feel more human. You can also preview how the message will look on a phone screen. After creating your SMS message, go to Automation and open your workflows. Click the plus icon to add a new action, then choose the Send SMS action. Select the message you created earlier and set any timing delays you want. This allows you to send automated text messages when a contact fills out a form, joins a list, books a meeting, or completes any trigger you set. Before turning the workflow live, send a test SMS to yourself to make sure everything works correctly and the formatting looks clean. Testing helps avoid sending mistakes to real contacts. And that's it. That's how to set up SMS in HubSpot using the 2026 method. Once everything is connected, you can automate reminders, follow-ups, promotions, confirmations, and so much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.